out there and there's like 1,500 people being launched out at one time.
Really?
I mean, just party, and then you go down this one spot, and they got a rope going across, you do the limbo, and then they got a little bar set up on the river, on the rocks. Pull out.
Real talk fishing. We starting the video now. There's my boy Taco, my boy Austin back there sleeping, and we got this brand new kayak, Pelican Catch 120. Go down this little canal here and see what I can get. Try to see if I can catch something good. Looks pretty good, pretty good scenery. Oh, Austin's got his speaker box going. We got some good little layouts in here, some pockets. Old Taco's got his rooster tails. Y'all stay with us now. When we get to the spot, we get down here in deeper water, we fixing to get tearing it up now. I gotta ease on over here over this hump. Hopefully I can make it. I sure hope I can make it. Oh yeah, it's deeper here. Here we go. We got somebody down here fishing. Maybe he's tearing them up. Maybe he'll tell us what his bait is. Whew, it's a little warm. Didn't realize it was this warm. We're gonna try it. In the meantime, yeah, the wind's gonna blow through these open tunnels here. I know y'all can't see it, but there's somebody down there doing something.